Today we're going to tell you a little bit about how we got our Jayco 325 BHQS.
And then we're going to give you a little tour.
All right, let's go.
When we decided we wanted to buy a fifth wheel, I started researching for hours. Eventually, I fell in love with one. It had tons of storage, the perfect kids' room, and it was below the maximum length that David wanted to pull.
The problem with this floor plan is it wasn't readily available. At the time when searching, there were only 2 for sale in the entire US. This presented a problem. We decided on a whim to go to Camping World just to check out the quality between Jayco's and Grand Design, which were the 2 brands we were debating between that made this floor plan.
We talked to the salesman and he confirmed that the perfect floor plan was no longer made and he had never seen one.
So we rode around with the salesman looking at new campers in the golf cart. We didn't really see anything, so we decided to go take a look at the used campers.
And what happened to magically appear on the lot? The exact camper I had been wanting. I immediately started freaking out. I was like, oh my god, this is it. This is the one I've been wanting. And David's like, shh, shh. You know, trying to get
That's a
me
little
to
bit
not...
of an understatement. I was a little more like, shut up! Like,
The poor salesman was like seeing dollar signs. I know he was like so excited. He knew he was making the sale, basically, because I don't have a poker face. And
yeah, so it's okay. Naturally, we went back to the sales office. They came back with their price, and I said absolutely not. So I got them a lot closer to where we wanted to be. Knocked about $13,000 off of their asking price, which I was pretty happy with. And needless to say, we got the camper.
Of course. When you first walk in, we have our little mud area, shoe storage, hang up jackets. And we have lots of cabinets, some counter space, double fridge, 3-burner stove, a few more storage cabinets, an island with under sink storage, and a wonderful pantry. Lots of storage in here.
Looks like it needs some food.
It does need food. Okay. TV, there's storage behind the TV. Have some up here. And then the electric fireplace. This does actually put out heat, it's not just for looks. We have more storage over here. 2 chairs. And the dinette, which also has storage under it.
2 recliners.
Oh, sorry, yes. 2 rocking recliners.
Oh, yeah, rocking recliners. All right, let's check out the kids' room. Go on.
Now when you first come in, we have cabinets here from the floor to the ceiling. And then there are 3 bunk beds and a couch.
So we've got a full twin up top, not a full twin, like it's an actually a full-size twin. And then this is like
Camper twin.
camper twin. Sure, that works.
Yeah. Another small camper twin. And then this couch makes another bed.
This actually makes a full-size bed.
And then there are drawers underneath here. And then of course more storage here, TV.
All right, let's go check out the master and the bath. She's a happy camper.
Super happy. And this smaller bathroom, but all the space you need.
Porcelain toilet.
And then this shower, it looks small, but it is actually big enough for David to fit.
So I'm 6'2", and I have probably about 10 inches of headroom still with this
Skylight.
skylight. There you go, that's the word.
So we have more storage here, and then this actually slides shut.
Pocket door. And then this is a pocket door as well.
Meet you in
And
the
it does have a medicine cabinet
Oh, more storage.
as well. Alright. And then walk into the master.
Queen size bed. We have closet here, dresser, and a nightstand on each side. More storage up above and on each side. Storage underneath the bed as well.
And I love these nightstands because I sleep with a CPAP, so having that extra space is awesome. I got a TV here. Our heat comes out of the floor, air comes out of the ceiling. We've got 2 AC units, both 15K BTU, independently controlled. This one is a heat pump. So yeah, that is the tour of the inside of the RV. Let's go ahead and go on to the outside. So now let's take a tour of the outside of our RV. We've got 4 slides on our RV. We've got this one on this side and then 3 on the other. Alright, so start here. We've got pass-through storage in the basement, the underbelly. It's a complete disaster right now, so we're going to go ahead and ignore that. We've got 30-pound propane tanks on either side. One of my favorite parts about this RV, it came with the MoreRide pin box, which is fantastic for towing. That coupled with our Anderson hitch, which I'll go into in a different video. It makes for a great towing experience. Underneath here, we have got more storage. This used to be the battery compartment, but I have removed both of our batteries, and there's an airplane going over, which is awesome. I'll go more into why I removed the batteries in a different video. So on this side we've got 3 slides. We've got this small slide here, which is in our bedroom. We've got that large slide in the middle, which is our refrigerator kitchen area. And then we've got that medium, I guess, size slide at the end, which is the kids' bedroom. So over here, we've got another 30-pound propane tank. We've got the other side of our pass-through storage, which also has our Nautilus system. I think, yeah, Nautilus P1 it's called. Basically, this is where all of our tank valves are, our water controls and whatnot. Hey, there's a little sneak preview as to why the batteries were removed from that front compartment. So we'll walk around here. This is the large slide, the kids' bedroom slide, and on the back of the RV we've got our bikes, our ladder. And then I saved the best for last. This is my favorite part of the outside of this RV. They're pretty messy right now, but outdoor kitchen. We've got a sink there. We've got a drawer here, all the utensils and whatnot. This was originally a 2-burner stove. I'm kind of in the middle of doing a little modification here, but I pulled the stove out and I put this plywood in here to turn it into a drawer, but most importantly, it is now a platform for my Pit Boss pellet smoker grill. And up here, got some storage for plates and whatnot in the fridge. So yeah, that's the tour of the outside of our Jayco 325 BHQS.
Thank you for watching our tour on our Jayco 325 BHQS. Please consider liking and subscribing and following us along on our journey to go full-time.